In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM API. To get started, you need to access the right setup area inside Zoho CRM. Open Zoho CRM Setup first. This is where Zoho stores configuration options that affect how your CRM works and how external tools can connect to it. When you open Setup, take a moment to look at the menu or search bar. The goal here is to quickly find the specific section related to the CRM API, because that is where the configuration begins. Next, search for CRM API. In the Setup search field, type CRM API. As you type, Zoho should show matching results. Click the result that clearly corresponds to CRM API. This step matters because the API area contains the settings that define how notifications and API-related features behave in your organization. You want to make sure you are opening the correct page, since Zoho sometimes has multiple settings categories that look similar. Once you open the CRM API configuration area, you are ready to configure notifications. Look for a section or option that says Notification, Configure Notification, or something closely related. Click that configuration area to begin. This is where Zoho lets you set up how your CRM responds or communicates when API-related events occur. If you see a form or a panel with multiple fields, that is normal. Zoho often groups API support into sections, like notifications and related behaviors, so you can manage them in one place. Now configure the notification settings. Follow the on-screen options carefully. The key part is to adjust the notification configuration according to what your CRM integration needs. If there is a checkbox, a drop-down, or a toggle, choose the appropriate option shown in your Zoho interface. If there is a field that requires input, enter only the information required by the notification configuration you are setting up. For example, some setups might ask for specific endpoints or preferences that determine what is triggered. Pay attention to the labels next to each field, since Zoho uses clear wording to explain what each setting controls. After you configure the notification settings, you should verify that everything looks correct before you finish. Spend a few seconds reviewing the page. Make sure the settings reflect what you selected earlier. If the page shows a preview or a summary, use it to confirm that you did not accidentally choose the wrong option. This short review step is helpful because it reduces the chance of having to redo configuration later. Finally, save your changes. Look for a Save button, Confirm button, or a similar action on the page. Click it to store your notification configuration. Saving is the step that actually applies your settings to the Zoho CRM environment. Without saving, Zoho will usually keep your changes only in the current session, and they will not remain active after you leave or refresh the page. Once saving is complete, you can proceed with confidence because your CRM API notification configuration is now established according to your selections. If there is a success message, confirm that you see it before you close the page. If the interface prompts you to refresh or shows a confirmation indicator, follow that guidance so everything is properly updated. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.